in our previous session, we have covered with account groups, right?
Hmm.
But I think I was missing something there. So let me do it for you. Let us go to the transaction OVT. Okay. Here,
Hmm.
what is our account group? M100. So
Hmm.
if we go inside this one, then we have field status, right? So let me go into
Hmm.
general data and let me go into marketing, for example, and let me suppress the Nelson ID.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
someone has asked me what exactly the use of the account groups. So here
Hmm.
we can use the account groups to control the fields in the customer master. And while we try to create the customer master, let me create a customer master here. If we use
Hmm.
the customer, if we use the account group 0001 to create the customer,
Okay.
okay.
Hmm.
So let me give some details here. See, if we go inside the marketing, here we
Hmm.
cannot find the field Nelson ID, right?
Yes.
Because that was suppressed there.
Hmm.
Okay. If we don't
Okay.
suppress that, then we can get that field. Okay, like that. We can control the,
Okay.
yeah, we can control the fields from the account groups.
Okay.
And let me do it for one more thing. Uh, Let me go again to the transaction OET0. Let me go inside this one. And let me suppress regional market and customer classification and industry also. Okay. And let me save this one. And let us try to create a new customer here. Let us go to X301. Then create a new customer here. Say go to marketing. Wait, here we are getting Nelson ID, customer classification, all these things. I think we are not using the M100 here. Let me use, we have made the changes to M100, right? Hello.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes. Yes.
we have made the changes to the account group M100. So let me create the
Hmm.
customer with M100. Then we can get the,
Hmm.
here the, here we can give some section, some details here. And let me go into marketing. See, can we find those fields here?
Ah. Oh no.
No, because we have controlled them with account groups. We have suppressed them.
Okay.
Okay. So let me go back here. Let me go back here and let me make them as optional entry. Okay, I just have rolled back the changes.
Hmm.
So I think you are clear with the account.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.